Hey, I'm Aaron Marcus, and I got to tell you, I'm a lucky guy. I've been able to make my living as an actor and a commercial model for now actually over 33 years. And one of the real benefits for me, I mean, besides being able to do something that I love, is that this also has allowed me to share information with other people and share information of techniques that I use, strategies, ways of just working the industry to your best interest. And that's something I truly love doing. And I do that with my book, How to Become a Successful Actor and Model, with my in-person workshops, my private online mentoring. And so I wanted to let you know I'm going to be in New York on September the 21st. And this is going to be a great experience for you. Uh, Normally at workshops, I mean, I could have anywhere from 20 to 200 people, depending on the setting. For this particular one, I'm going to have a maximum of 5 people. And this way, everybody will get my individualized attention. If you have a headshot, bring it in. I'll take a look at it, I'll critique it, give you ideas. If you have a resume, let's go over it, line by line. And what's really neat in this kind of setting is that you will learn from other people attending there as well. This is actually, it's going to be $50 less than if we did an online session. So you'll be saving money, we'll be seeing each other face to face. We're going to be doing so much more. Everything from learning how to market yourself, you'll learn some auditioning techniques, how to find agents locally and in distant markets. We'll talk about anything that you want to talk about. This is going to be your session. So what you can do is look at the link below and register as soon as possible. Like I said, I'm only going to accept a maximum of 5 people, and once I hit that number, everything is closed. I even offer payment plans just in case paying the full amount at one time is any kind of issue. So anyhow, use the link, and can't wait to see you on the 21st in New York. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me at Aaron, Aaron, at howtoactandmodel.com. See you on the 21st.